responsible in conducting investigation for violations of traffic laws, rules, and regulations. But for these types of cases, we believe, sir, it should be the PNP.
But they already endorsed me to here, then to here.
This document, sir, the PNP asks us to put the motor vehicle, the Toyota Vios, on alarm to prevent further transaction. This document contains, sir, a request from HPG to our Assistant Secretary for consideration to hold the transactions of this specific motor vehicle. To act on this, sir, we will wait for the documents to be transmitted to us. If that would be the case, then we will consider tagging the alarm on the motor vehicle. But to actually or personally get the laptops and cash.
No cash. Laptop, tablet.
Valued over 100,000.
Yeah, no cash.
Our officer is not on the proper authority.
So I don't understand, how will I get my laptop back? So based on this, so police already did investigation.
Yes, sir.
Then they endorsed me to come here to set the alert.
Yes, sir.
So
the
then,
alert, sir, is the alert is within our jurisdiction, so to speak. We will consider tagging of the alarm on the motor vehicle based on the report of the PNP. But to physically get the documents and the laptop to the taxi driver, it is not on our jurisdiction.
So who will?
Unfortunately, sir,
I just want to know. I'm only the person whose laptop was stolen, and they keep telling me to go. The police is the one who told me to go to Camp Crame. I spent almost 3 hours there. Then they told me to come here. I'm almost spending 30-40 minutes with here. Then what should I do next? What should I do?
Based on our experience, sir, on our usual dwellings with these kinds of cases, we acknowledge the letter from HPG, PNP, the police, for tagging of alarm. Actually, we will tag the alarm of the motor vehicle with respect to the request of the HPG. But again, sir, the question is who will accompany you or who will physically get the laptop to the taxi driver. For us, sir, we believe it should be the police officer.
So now they've sent me here. It will be tagged by tomorrow or by when?
When the document arrived to us.
What document?
It was received by the office of the executive director.
Actually,
it would be routed to us.
What happened? She stamped it.
Yes.
But then she actually gave it back to me, and then she made me come here. This is the one she stamped, but she made me come physically here.
She doesn't.
She doesn't have a copy. No, and I actually don't have a copy either. So she told me. So this is what happened.
You only have one copy of that, sir?
Yeah.
She did not get
nothing.
Copy.
I asked her for it. She says no.
Yes. Sir, who received the document? So I suggest for this specific case, since us in investigation, we cannot intervene personally.
And so what do you suggest?
So I suggest, since you are here already, get back to Ma'am Emilu.
But they closed at 5. They told me to come here.
They already closed at 5, sir.
Yeah, they told. I just talked to her, and this is what happens. They make me run around. You make me go back. Very disorganized. I was already in Mandaluyong this morning. Then Mandaluyong sent me to Camp Crame 3 hours. Now she sent me here, and you're sending me back there. It's very disorganized. So can you?
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
I will get a copy of this, sir.
Yes. And
for us to be able to tag the alarm on the motor vehicle.
And
then with regards, sir, to physically get the laptop, I think it's the police officers.
So but they told me to go here. So I have to go back to Mandaluyong and talk to them.
Yes, sir. And inform them, sir, that we will.
Can you inform them? Because I'm a tourist from Canada, and you're telling me to run around like a chicken without a head. In Canada, it's not like this. You tell the police, and one day they find it.
Actually, sir, personally, sir, I don't understand why the police officer will endorse you to us.
I don't know.
To physically get the laptop, because it is very customary to us that all kinds of.
But can you? I don't want to be the one because I'm a foreigner. I don't even speak Tagalog. Can you guys be smart enough to talk to each other, or do I need to do it as a foreigner living in the Philippines?
If the police officer has a contact number, maybe I can
Yeah.
tell him, sir.
Didn't you see the cell phone numbers here? This is the cell phone number. Look, the cell phone number here.
We will cater, sir, the timing
Yeah.
of the alarm. No
Yeah,
problem about
yeah.
that. We will act on the request of the PNP.
Because I think it shouldn't be me running around chasing the laptop. It should. I did my job. I reported it. I got the CTV. I did my job. Even today, I'm going around with the taxi driver and my kids, right? But I think now should be the two intelligences, the LTO intelligence and the police intelligence, working together to retrieve my laptop. And then they'll call me. Look, sir. Contact number. They'll call me. Sir Ricky, your laptop has been found. Come pick it up in Mandalang Police Station.
Should be them, sir.
Yeah, that's the way it should be, organized system.
We'll have this.
And can you make me a copy too?
Yes, I will give
Okay,
you.
thank you, sir. See, I was very strong. If I'm not strong, they make me go around.
The police is already